the most memorable day of the Japanese automobile industry, the 3rd day of May 1964, when SKYLINE GT unveiled its mass to the public with the 6-cylinder overhead camshaft 3-Weber engine, the second Japan Grand Prix held at SUZUKA circuit. The debut race, SKYLINE GT, made a dead heat with Porsche 904, the world's greatest racing machine of that time, and gave the strongest impression to the 170,000 audience. The words, "The great race of Porsche versus Prince," was born for all time. Through this race, SKYLINE GT opened the era to the GT cars to Japan, and since has had unrivaled victories in various races in Japan and received all the adorations from the public, being called Scargy, a wolf in sheep's clothing.